Hi, this is Wesley Dotson with Central Kentucky Classic Cars, and today we have a 1969 Chevrolet Camaro we're going to take a look at. This is an RSSS 396 big block car, and we're going to take a look at it today. And it is it's a 4-speed car. We do have shipping and financing available on this car right here. Shipping and financing available, but we're going to take a look at it. Oh, and it is a 396 big block car, 4-speed, 12 bolt, and it is a date code correct motor. I cannot find the VIN number stamped on the block, but it is a date code correct motor is what's in the car. 1969 396. It's got the orange and black houndstooth, super slick, 4-speed, the gauges, just a really slick, nice car. You just can't even find this car anywhere. It's impossible. We're going to take a look inside of the trunk here. Inside the trunk's finished with a really nice trunk mat. All looks good. It's got the shakers. Shut the trunk here. He's going to start it up for us. Brake lights work. Sounds great. Good sounding exhaust. It's got that thump everybody likes. Show you on the driver's side here. It's got all the right stickers. So it's got the orange houndstooth. It's got the Tac In Dash, gauges on the console, right knob on the 4-speed. Just a really slick car. Right seat belts in the back. Shut the door here. We'll take a look underneath the hood. Like I said, it's powered by a 396, 350 horse. It is a date code correct motor. It's got power steering and power disc brakes. It just doesn't get much nicer than this right here. Let me shut the hood here. Take one more quick look at it. 1969 Chevrolet Camaro or RSSS big block. All right. If you have questions on this car, you can give us a call at 859-621-5572 or go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. All right, here we go for the test drive. All right, we're going to take this 1969 Chevrolet Camaro for a test drive and see how it does. All right, here we go. Through all the gears the right way. Smooth driving car. Does a great job. Show you downshifting here. There we go. All right, here we go. Have him get on it just a little bit. Will run, I promise you. Lots of power, shifts through all the gears the right way, doesn't rattle or shake. Doesn't pull to the left or the right. Just a smooth driving car. All right, we are almost back here, and like we do every time, we will show you what it looks like underneath. If you have any questions on this car, you can give us a call at 859-621-5572. 859-621-5572. All right, here goes the underneath.